Okay, it's All City Auctioneers here with another auction item for our December 13th, 2023 online auction. This is lot number R1002, and I've been in this business for 50 some years and I have never sold one of these. I couldn't even actually tell you exactly what it is, but I will tell you what it does. This is a four-wheel drive. It's articulating in the center. You can see right there in the center she's articulating, drives forward wheels, and it looks like full-time four-wheel drive. Hydraulic assisted steering. There's no motor. Motor probably was mounted somewhere here, but there's no motor. Looks like it's a centrifugal drive. It rolls and everything else, seems to all turn and everything. It's probably been sitting around for a while. Came from an estate. Person said that they believe that the item actually came from the P&E, the Pacific National Exhibition here in Vancouver 40 years ago, 30 years ago, something like that. Anyways, lots of pictures online. Solid steel. I mean, this thing's well built. Big balloon style tires, look like they're from like an Argo. This is just a box, though it's not a dump or anything like that. Be great to put a little camping box on the back there, and you could go out into the bush and wow, I don't know, just a pretty amazing little vehicle. So no markings on it anywhere, don't know a brand. Like I said, steering seems to work. Obviously it needs a hydraulic assist on it, but there's your front and rear axle. There's your front axle anyways, and like I said, centrifugal drive. So this is selling on December the 13th. We're All City Auctioneers. We're located in Langley, British Columbia, and normally I shoot these videos only to show you the items working, but this seems pretty cool. It's it'd be a great little bush buggy. I don't know what kind of speed you'd get out of it, but man, it'd probably go over everything. So that's selling online, bcsurplus.com. We're All City Auctioneers. We're located in Langley. There's also fire hose, some small equipment and tools. We've got this little security shed here, or a little, tiny house. It was used for security building on a property. So yeah, lots of stuff selling in that auction sale, including that loader. Thank you very much. Hope you get another bye-bye auction.